Hi traders, this is Aleks FX. I'm trading the beginner strategy on the New Zealand US dollar. This is a daily chart we're looking at, and you can see we've had a nice move up. Trend direction is up from the break of the up fractal, and you can see we've broken through this key area of resistance right here, used it as support, and we've now moved up towards this level of resistance where we've had a bit of rejection. So 4-hour chart, and you can see the trend is up. We've had a nice move up fractals broken to the upside, hit resistance and a bit of rejection into this level of support right here. Okay, so this key level of support. Now if we move to the 30-minute chart, we have a look at the direction. We are currently up. This up fractal is broken, and this is where the direction changes from up to down. So we're looking for a trading opportunity now on the 5-minute chart, and you see this pullback in price. We've had a down fractal broken, and this up fractal is where we're looking to enter long right over here. See that break, that pop up of the up fractal? So there's the working order. We've just been entered long with a stop below the most recent down fractal and the take profit up at the next pivot point. So there's a 30-minute chart, nice pop up here, and you see we've got this little resistance area we need to clear through. So before we get paid or the take profit is hit, that level needs to get cleared. So now we just wait and see what happens, and we obviously just need to clear the spread. Alright, so price is moving up nicely. You see how we've sort of closed above these levels, and we're slowly grinding high. You see how resistance becoming support. See these candles that close above. Now we've got this level above us, which I'm watching closely. Alright, so you see how prices pulled right back here, bit of rejection, but this area of support we need to see hold, and we obviously need to see a clear above this little high that price has now formed right over here. So we're at support. I'd like to see some buyers come in. This is what the 30-minute chart looks like. Big move down, nice bullish candle, closed above this area, so it looks like we should see a pop up here. But we really want to see this area of support holding, and obviously we've got the risk at the same place where we started with the fractal right down below. Alright, nice pop up here. See the immediate 5-minute candle coming off support, nice close above all these levels, above that high. See that base for support holding. Now I'd like to see price hold right over here. So this area now needs to hold as support if this trade is going to move up. And we obviously have this key area of resistance, which I'm eyeing out very closely before we can get to the that next pivot point. Alright, so there's prices just pulled back on us. You see how prices come right down now, holding as support right there. And this is kind of where I need to see the buyers hold for price to push up from this support area. And we've got this potential fractal. Still need to see a second candle close, and when we get that, we can reduce the risk. Alright, nice little pop up now. I want to see a close. We can get a nice bullish close above this area, and obviously this key resistance here, I'm watching this level very closely. I think it's a good place to possibly take some profits. Alright, so what I want to do is, if we get a pop up, I want to look at taking half the position off into that key resistance area right over here. Watching this very closely now, and let's see if we can get this closed now, and then we can get some risk out on this trade. Price pulling back from this resistance area. Let's see a little surge in there. I see a price has pulled back. We've had this candle close now, and I've actually reduced the risk on this trade from down here all the way up here. So we've really taken a nice chunk of risk out of the trade. Still looking for this pop up into this key area of resistance. I really want to look at taking some profits here, and then obviously the target up towards the daily R1 pivot. So let's modify this, and if you go to instant execution and just reduce that to 1 lot. Alright, so I'm going to close off half the position right here into key resistance. Okay, so if price does come back off us this level, we've at least locked some profit in, and we'll make money on the trade because we don't have much risk on this trade anymore. So that was just over 8.5 pips now. Alright, so price is moving up nicely now. Really want to see a nice close holding above this level. Just tell us that the bulls are in control. And obviously this level now we're going to see if it pulls back. We're going to see it hold as support. So we're looking for that push higher now. Now we've got a little area of resistance above. See this candle close now. That's good for the trade. And it's obviously closed above this area. So if there were any sellers there, definitely not that keen on selling at this stage. Price is still moving up, almost paid a few more pips to go. We're into this level of resistance here, which I'm not that crazy about. Trying to squeeze the last pip out and then watching the whole sort of profit pull back. So what I'm going to do, I'm actually going to look, see how we're pulling back here. I'm actually going to just close this off right there. Alright, so with that immediate pullback there, I've closed that trade out for just over, well, it's just shy of 10 pips. So for recap, the market direction was up, broke the 30-minute up fractal. So we're looking for buying opportunities on the 5-minute chart. We had a trading opportunity set up with this nice pullback. Up fractal broke to the upside right there, and we entered a long stop below the most recent down fractal, then reduced the risk. And we took some profit out at that area of resistance, and with that pullback just shy of that profit target, I closed the remainder of the position. So we average about 9 pips overall. I'm Aleks FX, and thank you for watching.